My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Phyna fans don't come out come talk their own 2 cents for the Grammy where Davido no win, and also Groovy for a recent interview where do few hours ago, he don't come out come talk the person where he dump between Phyna and Beauty. So few hours ago, Grammy Award, the thing come to pass and come turn out say none of our Nigerian artists win anyone out of it, and the thing don't dey cause so many problem online. Nigerians now as our matter dey be na, they know dey sabi calm down for certain things. But now the video na e come trend pass because from wetin I don't notice, anything wey be say just got to do with the video, they always go viral when it comes to our country. So according to the people wey be say dey drag am and the ones wey be say dey laugh am, they say he no win the Grammy, all those type of things. So Phyna fan come go shook mouth inside the matter. So a particular as the video come out, he come try to congratulate the girl wey win am, the South African girl wey be say they call Tyler wey win am. So he come say congratulations on your win at Tyler. Come say big one for Africa, keep soaring. So now the Phyna fan come quote the tweet, come say thank you love, but I actually don't know who you are. This no be Tyler real account. As you can see, the person just come go get Tyler account, the open account, just to throw the video. So everybody come dey say na Phyna fan because now only Phyna na be the video don't ever tell say he no know her. You see, one thing with validation for this life, that thing na a very big disease. Phyna come from a very humble beginning, and that girl don't work hard to achieve what she don't achieve so far. I not see a reason why she or her fans go dey feel say they need anybody to take validate her hard work and her achievement for life. Well, anyways, congratulations to the people wey be say they nominate, and to the winner, the South African girl wey be say winner. Everybody na winners anyways. So I not see a reason why throwing shade na go stop anybody from becoming richer. So onto Groovy matter, a recent interview wey be say Groovy do with a station wey they call Sunday Beats come out to come clear the air about people wey be say they talk say in use both Beauty and Phyna. We all know Groovy first dey date Beauty. After Beauty disqualify herself, in cause switch go Phyna. As he date Phyna finish, he reach outside the house, the relationship scatter. So for reunion, two of them even scatter themselves for there with arguments. Wetin be im name? Groovy come call Beauty an abuser, and he come tell Phyna to say Phyna dey heartbroken because he dump her. According to him, mean say he feel say there's a certain perception about him with the public as a result of the relationship wey be say get between Phyna and Beauty while they dey inside the house. Say all those talk about him, say they no dey genuine because he never played the two of them. Further explain to say people dey claim to say e feelings for the both of them no dey genuine, but na wetin we watch for television na him truly be, na wetin he talk. According to him, he say he was very caring and loyal to both Beauty and Phyna, and he not try to deceive any of them. Say he believe say him for still fit win the show even without being in a ship between either Phyna or Beauty. According to him, he says for life certain things go work out on some and some no go work out relationship wise and other things. So if Nigerians they come out or fans they come out, they can't drag and say no they genuine with the relationship between the both parties, he say a very wrong narrative now they push against him and make everybody seize. From the way where we say the boy even they talk for the interview, go no say Groovy na pikin. I don't call am before say Groovy not be man. If fans there they insult me as if I care. 600 years later, Groovy see they talk about the relationship with Beauty and Phyna. Beauty don't move on to another man. Phyna don't get to talk show. Groovy see they analyze them relationship. I don't want to talk too much because if I start with Groovy matter, it go red. All I can say is that Groovy needs to rest. Time don't pass for this discussion. Una take care, una bye.